Abu Nadra says that he asked Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhum about the serf trade. They did not feel any harm in it. I was sitting in the company of Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu. So I asked him about the serf trade. He replied, the addition is usury. I rejected Hazrat Abu Sa'id's verdict on account of what I had heard from Hazrat Ibn Umar and Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhum. Hazrat Abu Sa'id radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, I told you nothing saves the hadith of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. An honor of date palm brought the Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam one saw of dates of fine quality, and the Prophet's dates were also of the same color. The Prophet sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam asked him, from where have you brought these dates? He submitted, I took away 2 saw of these dates and brought 1 saw of these dates for them, because the rate of these dates in the market is such and such, whereas the rate of these dates in the market is such and such. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, woe to you! You have given interest. When you want to do so, want to buy the dates of fine quality. Sell your dates for some other things, then purchase the dates of the quality you wish with the price of that commodity. Abu Sa'id said, tell me whether barter of dates for dates involves the element of usury or silver for silver. Abu Nadra says, I then went to Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu and he also prohibited it. And I did not go to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu. The reporter says that Abu Saiba told me that Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu was asked in Makkah Mukarramah about it and he disliked it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4063.